Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your Chapter 1 lecture video. So, Chapter 1 is all about selecting and thinking through a topic, a research topic, that will sustain your activity for the rest of this short 8-week semester. So, I'd like to point out some important sections here from Chapter 1 that are worth your time in reading before you get to the discussion board number 4, the actual research proposal. Also, I urge everyone to consider the idea of a discourse community. A short video along with some quick references to Swale's article or Dan Melzer's article will provide some background and information on what is a discourse community. Often I have many students that'll research and write about a discourse community that they belong to because that is far more interesting, since it's more of a personal experience, to than just a generic research topic. So you might want to consider that. Now, Chapter 1, I have to mention here, offers a few sections I would like to point out. Types of inquiry questions might benefit your particular topic. If you can read through Table 1.2, there are some templates there that might actually help out quite a bit with your putting together a proposal, right? So, the possible purposes for a research argument are two here: to explore and to argue. You might want to read through these sections. If you notice in the instructions for discussion board post, on the research proposal, I ask you to come away with and explain how you would explore and how you would argue. So I really think that's important, right? I'm not going to go through the proposal here. I think the instructions, along with the discussion boards, are pretty thorough in what I'm looking for in that research proposal. One thing I want to scroll up and talk about is how to narrow the topic is an important section. More so than that, I'd like to get to the section here about developing working knowledge. Depending upon your topic, I think everyone needs to develop a basis for a working knowledge. So then as your research moves forward, you can develop that thorough knowledge into your topic. So a quick reference here to developing a working knowledge on your particular topic. I am looking for a couple of sources, just internet sources. Let me get to the instructions here on the discussion boards. Alrighty, here we go. Scroll on down. Okay, looking for 2 to 3 internet sources to help you develop your content. My purpose behind this is just to begin developing that working knowledge that you have been able to quickly look through the internet, any type of databases that you would think appropriate to gather some information that would help your particular development in the topic. So this is the long-term proposal. A couple of people have already posted some interesting topics there. The idea here is for you to develop this research topic before the week is out. That way we can move forward into Chapter 2 doing the research. Just take a look at the schedule. The annotated bibliography will be due sometime in the next couple of weeks. So you want to make sure that you are on a topic that will allow you to move forward in this course. Okay? That being said, if you have any questions or issues with a topic, please send me an email. I will run through and grade these as quickly as possible and offer some suggestions regarding your topic and possible direction. So that's what's on par for this weekend as we move forward. All right? All right. Enjoy your Labor Day holiday weekend. Like I said, if you have any questions, send me an email.